going to be showing you 10 new lipsticks perfect for Indian skin tone. Now these are bullet lipsticks. There will be a liquid lipstick version for it as well. Comment down below if you want a version of liquid lipsticks in nudes, pink lipsticks, and then pink liquid lipsticks and all of that. So at number 1 we have the Mars matte liquid lipsticks. These come in a set of 3. This is in the set of nudes. I have the shade 11 over here. Now these retail for 133 rupees, and this specific shade number 11 is a perfect cool tone nude lipstick. This is a creamy lipstick. The formulation of this is like semi matte, and as it dries down it does not look too creamy. Talking about the transfer proofness, it does transfer a little bit, so you have to keep that in mind. The lasting power of this is for a couple of hours, but you might have to reapply it as it is a semi matte finish. All in all, for 133 rupees, I feel like this is such an amazing product and one of my favorites. Next up we have the shade Truffle Candy from Eba. Now this is their Stay Matte lipstick. This retails for 350, but currently it is on a sale for 280 rupees on Nykaa. This is a warm tone nude lipstick. If you love warm tone shades, this is going to be the one for you. It glides on beautifully. It does not go in streaks. The pigmentation is great. It is very creamy as well. Talking about the staying power, it does come off on your hands. It dries down into a semi matte version. I won't say a complete matte version, but definitely a semi matte version. And definitely for 280 rupees, I feel like this is a great option for you if you want to wear it for your college or everyday office wear. Next up we have the Insight non-transfer matte lipsticks. Now this is in the shade Checkmate. It retails for 310 rupees, but currently it is on sale for 295 rupees. Now the consistency of this, when you're applying it, is a little bit more stiffer than the other creamy lipsticks which we have applied, because this is a matte shade. Now as you can see, the finish of this is also completely matte, and if you just do the transfer test, very little lipstick gets appeared on your hand. So it does dry out matte. It does not, it also has a great transfer proofness. The next thing which I do not like about this lipstick is that it literally can come off. Like ये टूट गया है यहाँ से, and ये सिर्फ ये lipstick का नहीं है. All of the lipsticks which I have from this range I have also faced the similar issue. So that is the one thing I would not like about this lipstick. Also the packaging is kind of like okay, it's not the best, but talking about the actual product, it is a good one, I would say. And for 295 rupees, if you want a matte, but it is not like Sahara Desert dry matte lipsticks, because we all know that if you apply a matte lipstick and it is like, it's not sucking on your lips, like it's not sucking the soul out of your lips, where it just feels so freaking dry. It is not too dry. So that is one thing I would give it to this. And yeah, that is the lipstick. Talking about the price point, if you love matte lipsticks, this is a great one you can find under a budget. Then we have the Mamaearth Soft Matte Long Stay Lipstick. This is in the shade Mocha Brown. Now the price of this is for 399, but currently it is on a sale for 367 rupees. Now it is in between of like a warm and a neutral toned nude lipstick. Right now, again, the formula of this, it glided on really well. It is a creamy formulation. However, if you see it, it dries down as semi matte, a soft matte finish, not a completely matte. And as of now, it's looking really good. It is sitting well on my lips, which is a plus point. If you go ahead and see, it does transfer a little bit, but since with soft matte lipsticks, that is the deal, it does not transfer a lot. But yeah, थोड़ा सा तो ट्रांसफ़र होगा ही. And the staying power of this is also, I would say, a good 3 to 4 hours. You might have to again retouch and reapply if you are eating a lot or like drinking water a lot, then that will be the case. Other than that, I feel like a lipstick for 367, which is a soft matte, this is a good one. And if you have extremely dry lips, this also I think has some kind of a oil in it, which helps it to make your lips a little bit more hydrated, and it's not too drying on your lips. Next we have the Nykaa Matte Luxe lipsticks in the shade Truffle. Now this is a darker neutral toned nude lipstick. It is in the shades of like red, but like thoda maroon के इसमें darker format है, if you know what I mean. So I again love this shade, how it looks on me. Now the price of this is usually it retails for 849 rupees, but it is on sale right now for 679 rupees. If you want a good formulation of liquid lipsticks, and not just that, the packaging of this is super luxe. Like it is magnetic, and it feels very good. So if you are looking for a great packaging wala lipstick, this is the one for you. This glides on really beautifully. It is a creamy finish. It goes on creamily, and it is not like a complete matte, but it, as you can see, it does transfer as well. I would say the staying power of this is again for like 3 to 4 hours, depending on how much you are eating and drinking water. So that is the tea with this. Next up we have from Prosh Beauty the shade 110 High Tea. This is the perfect cool toned nude liquid lipsticks. It literally reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury one, but I feel like that is the Pillow Talk, that I feel like is a little bit more pinky on the side when you swatch it, and when you apply it on the lips, it's like this is looking a little bit different. But yeah, anyways, the formulation of this is very creamy. It glides on beautifully. It gives you again a semi matte finish, and once you like see it in the transfer proof test, it does not transfer much, but like thoda sa transfer ho jata hai. But again, as you can see, it looks extremely beautiful. Now I love the packaging of this more than any other lipstick over here. Just look how fancy it looks. It also looks very different, and again, the quality of the lipstick also feels good. This retails for 650 rupees, and it is currently not on any discount right now, but I mean, honestly, I love it. If you want a good quality lipstick under rupees 700, I definitely feel like this is the one for you, especially like a cool toned shade. Then this is the one for you as well. I know there are a few more which I have tried from Prosh, but this has been my absolute favorite because I generally prefer cool toned shades for my nudes. So yeah. Next up we have the shade Thriller from K by Katrina's Matte Drama Long Stay Lipstick. Now the price of this is for 999, but it is currently on a sale for 799 rupees, and this is probably in this 10 lipstick which I'm going to show you. सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने ये lipstick use किया है. Literally मैं end पे आ गई हूँ. I have used this so freaking often. Oh my god, I love this shade. It is the perfect nude shade. It is again on a creamier side. I won't say it is completely matte. It glides on like सबसे creamier formula I feel like is this one. Like I'm talking about the consistency, when you're applying it, you don't have to put too much pressure on it. It is the perfect cool tone nude lipstick. Again, you can see me gravitating truly towards cool tone shades rather than warm tone shades. They also have a magnetic packaging, as you can see, and then they have the K embossing over here. So again, they have amazing shades in this. It does transfer. I would say the staying power of this is fairly a little bit longer. I've seen this stay on my lips for a little bit longer, maybe 4 to 5 hours rather than 3 to 4 hours personally. But yes, you have to touch up constantly. If you are wearing a creamier lipstick, that is just how it is. 799, I would say it is a great one, especially if you cannot find any other shade like this, then trust me, you need it. It is the perfect cool tone shade. Next up we have the Verified Butter to Matte Longwear Lipsticks. Now this is in the shade Latella. The price of this is for 899 rupees. The packaging, firstly I will tell you, is way different than any other packaging which I've seen, because kabhi kabhi kya hota hai ki bag mein if you have kept a lipstick and then the lid comes off or anything, this is so like robust, because you just have to like open the lipstick like this instead of opening it like this, which I feel like is amazing, especially if you are traveling, if you want a lipstick on the go, or for office, for college. This is not gonna like come off or even break inside, which is an amazing thing. Now this is a perfect in between of a cool toned and warm toned shade. It looks warm tone on my hand, but then with the help of color theory, it looks a bit more neutral on my lips. So talking about the transfer test, as you can see, very little has been transferred. It glides on like butter, like its name, butter to matte. So glides on like butter, and then it dries down into matte just in a few, you can say like seconds. The staying power of this is again similar to the K by Katrina's, a little bit longer than the other ones which I have showed you. When I applied this, I feel like only when I ate a lot, that's when I had to reapply it. Otherwise, I feel like it is a great one. It will stay on for at least 5 hours on your lips without even retouching. Next up, we have the shade Top from Max lipstick collection, the original MAC lipsticks. Look at the swatch. It is a proper warm toned lipstick. It glides on very creamy. It is very transfer proof because it is a creamy nude lipstick and not a matte lipstick. But if you feel like you need a MAC staple or like the classic MAC lipsticks with you, definitely this is the one for you. Also, if you feel like you don't want to invest into a full size one, you also get a minis. I think the minis are for 990 sometimes, so you can definitely check those out. I'm so sorry, the price of this is for 1950 and not 2500. I'm so sorry, but yeah, you get the minis for 990 and then this is for like 2000 rupees. It's the most creamiest formula, very similar to the K by Katrina one which I have showed you in this video. Packaging again of the product is really nice. It is not going to come off, you know, it has a good sturdy packaging. So yeah, that is that. Next up, you guys, we have the MAC Maximal Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Whirl. This is basically the same shades in the MAC classic lipsticks, but this is a matte version of it. Now these retail for 2550, which I know is a little bit expensive, but if you are a MAC collector, if you want to get a shade, again, like as I told you, if you feel like this is the only shade which you find and you just want it, then I feel like this is the best one to buy. If you are on a budget, I don't think this is the lipstick for you to buy in, but just look at the shade. It is the perfect neutral toned not liquid, it is the perfect neutral tone lipstick, and once you do the transfer proof test, it does transfer, but not a lot. Again, this dries down as matte, a semi matte finish, I would say, not completely matte, but yeah, it's also not like it has removed the entire lipstick from my lips, right? 4 to 5 hours of time without touching it up. Again, who should buy this lipstick is completely subjective on it is affordable to you. If you really want to buy a MAC lipstick and if you want a matte, soft matte one, go ahead with this one. And those were the top 10 nude lipsticks for you guys, starting from rupees 133. Let me know which one was your favorite and definitely subscribe because I'm gonna do a mauve lipsticks, pink lipsticks, red lipsticks, all of the version, including the liquid lipstick version for it as well. Let me know what do you think in the comments down below and make sure to watch these videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.